Today we are here to discuss certain important tools to study smartly, which is the need of the hour to excel in the upcoming examinations. We need to attend our classes regularly, whether they are online or offline, because now at this fag there are certain very important tips which are given by the mentors, by our teachers, which we need to remember. Then the second important thing which I always tell my students is that if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. So just plan your things, divide your subject contents, that in how many days you will be taking up the topics for the various subjects as per their difficulty level, and you will prepare them. Go by understanding. Don't cramp up the things. Instead of cramping, understand, learn, relearn, revise, rewrite till you gain confidence in a particular topic. These are the things which really need to be mastered. Don't wait for the last moment to revise, to prepare yourself. Don't think, okay, fine, the board, whether it's CBSE or ISC, ICSE, they have said that towards the end of April 24th onwards, they will be declaring a timetable. So don't think that, okay, we have got so many days, now we will start our preparation after 10th of April. It should not be like that. By now, every school in our country has completed the syllabus, whether it be any board, the state board or your CBSE or ICSE, ISC. So instead of wasting our time, we should prepare our timetable, we should replan ourselves, we should see our mistakes, because mistakes makes a man perfect. It has always been said. So it applies for the students also. The more we make the mistake, the more confidence we gain, because then we come to know that what is the correct thing. Just remember 3 hours of chemistry tute to excel in the upcoming examinations: retention, remembrance, and recapitulation. Thank you.